Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, I am Sukanya and I create content all about skincare, hair care and simple beauty routines that actually work in real life. Today's video is going to be very informative and focused on hair care, as you already probably know from the title of this video, because after my trip to Ayodhya and Banaras, my hair has some concerns. The quality has definitely degraded and my hair feels so rough and frizzy right now. So today's video is a complete hair care routine for strong, shiny and frizz-free hair. I'll be sharing how I deal with hair fall, dryness and frizz which gets worse in this hot and humid weather. Whether it's traveling, humidity, pollution or stress, our hair goes through it. So in this video, I am going to share my step-by-step hair care routine, including hair oiling, hair wash and hair care focused shower routine, the latest Pantene Bond Repair hair conditioner with melting pearls that I'm very excited about, and one of the best TRESemmé hair serum for that groomed, shiny and smooth hair look. And of course, I'll be sharing all the detailed benefits, how I use each product and my honest reviews. So let's get into it. Hair care starts long before the actual hair wash. So we will be starting with one of the most important steps. Hair oiling. I'm using this Amla hair oil, which is honestly such a classic but still so effective. Now if you already do not know, then Amla or Indian gooseberry is actually amazing for our hair because it strengthens hair roots, helps reduce hair fall, adds natural shine, improves scalp health and even support hair growth over time. I am taking a small amount of the Amla hair oil and gently massaging it into my scalp using my fingertips. I am not rushing this step. This is like a mini self-care moment for me. Make sure you massage in circular motions. This helps with blood circulation and better absorption. Then I take whatever is left and run it through the length of my hair. I am focusing more on my scalp because that's where the nourishment really matters. But I also like coating my ends slightly to prevent dryness. Ensure to coat the ends nicely if you have frizzy and dry hair. I usually leave this on for about 2 to 3 hours. If you have time, then you can leave it overnight. My honest review. I have been using this Amla hair oil for a long time now, and I genuinely feel like it makes my hair stronger and less prone to breakage. It's simple, natural and actually works if you stay consistent. Alright, now I'll see you all in a couple of hours. It's been a little over a couple of hours now and it is time to head to the shower. So let's get into the hair wash and shower routine. I'm using the Pantene Anti Hair Fall Shampoo. This one is designed to reduce hair fall due to breakage, cleanse the scalp effectively, strengthen hair strands and make hair smoother and more manageable. I am thoroughly wetting my hair first and then taking a small amount of the shampoo. Remember, you do not need a lot. We content creators use more products than needed to create more lather and foam for the camera. But you do not really need a lot of it. A little goes a long way. I gently massage the shampoo into my scalp, focusing mainly on the roots. I'm not roughly scrubbing my hair, just gently working the product into my scalp to remove oil, dirt and buildup. If your hair is heavily oiled or if it suffered a lot during your adventures, vacation or trips, then you can go for a second wash, but keep it very gentle and lightweight. My honest review? This shampoo is actually really good for everyday or regular use. It cleanses well without making my hair feel too dry and over time I have noticed slightly less hair breakage. It also gives that clean, soft feel without making your hair too frizzy, which is a big plus. Now after rinsing the hair comes one of the most important steps, hair conditioning. I'm using the new Bond Repair conditioner from Pantene with melting pearls and this is where things get a little interesting. So what does bond repair mean? Basically, our hair gets damaged due to heat styling, pollution and chemical treatments which weaken the internal bonds of the hair. This conditioner helps repair damaged hair bonds, strengthen hair from within, reduce breakage, improve smoothness and texture and make our hair more manageable. So after rinsing out the shampoo, I take a generous amount of the conditioner and apply it only to the lengths of my hair and not to the scalp. This is super important. Never apply conditioner directly to your scalp. It will make your hair weigh down and give a greasy look. So avoid the scalp area. I am gently running my fingers through my hair to evenly distribute the product. And I can already feel my hair becoming softer and smoother as the pearls melt. I leave this on for about 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing it off completely. My honest review? This conditioner is honestly a game changer if you struggle with dry or damaged hair. My hair feels noticeably smoother and less tangled after using it. It also helps reduce frizz, which is amazing, especially in this hot and humid weather. After 2 to 3 minutes, I rinse it off thoroughly and finish my shower. I avoid rubbing my hair aggressively because that can cause breakage and frizz. Gentle handling is the key. At this stage, my hair already feels clean, soft and more manageable. Alright, now the shower is done. So let's get into the after shower hair care routine. My hair feels so smooth and soft and it's not tangled at all. Just look at this. My fingers are just running through my hair super smoothly. I'm just gonna quickly run this neem wooden comb through my hair to see if there are any tangles left, but I don't find any. See how smoothly it's just passing through. Wow. This is the magic of the Pantene Bond Repair Conditioner with melting pearls. So beautiful. Now for the final step, the one that makes your hair look instantly polished. I'm going to use this TRESemmé Finisher Hair Serum. This is perfect for adding shine, controlling frizz, making hair smooth and giving that salon-like finish. I am taking just 1 to 2 pumps of this serum. Again, a little goes a long way, and rubbing it between my palms. Then I apply it to the mid-length and ends of my slightly damp hair. You can also apply it to your dry hair. I'm avoiding the roots and focusing on the areas where my hair tends to get more frizzy. Instantly you'll notice your hair looking more sleek and shiny. My honest review? I love this hair serum because it doesn't feel greasy or heavy. It just smooths everything out and makes your hair look so much healthier. It's perfect for everyday use, especially if you struggle with dryness, dullness or frizziness. And this is the final result. My hair feels super soft, looks shiny, and most importantly, feels healthy and manageable. No excessive frizz, no dullness, only smooth and nourished hair. Now it is time for some bonus hair care tips. So before we end, I would like to share a few hair care tips that have already helped me. Number 1, oil your hair at least 1 to 2 times a week. Number 2 is avoid overwashing your hair. Wash your hair only when it's needed. When your hair and the scalp feel dirty or greasy, then only go for a hair wash. Do not apply shampoo on a daily basis. 2 to 3 times hair wash in a week is more than enough. Number 3 is use conditioner at least once a week. Don't skip it. Also indulge in hair masks and hair packs at home at least once a month for your intensive hair treatments. Number 4 is limit heat styling. And lastly, keep your scalp clean and healthy. And remember, consistency is the key, especially when it comes to hair care. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found this hair care routine pretty easy to follow and really helpful. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with other hair care enthusiasts. Please comment below and let me know your hair concerns and your favorite hair care product. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and my content and for more skincare and hair care content. Also, please connect with me on Instagram as well. Please comment below and let me know what would you like to see next on my channel. Is it more DIYs, more routines or product reviews? So with that being said, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye gorgeous people.